Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you 11 ways to earn cryptocurrency. Before getting your hands dirty, scroll down and click on the subscribe button. Let's face it, everyone wants to earn some cryptocurrency. We don't want to miss out on another spike in the price. But cryptocurrency market is uncertain and most of us don't want to risk losing our hard-earned money. Here are some of the best ways to get your hands on some crypto coins at minimum risk. The most straightforward way to earn crypto coins is just like with most things in life, just buy it. Buying cryptocurrency is now easier than ever before. As the industry gained a lot of popularity in the past few years, its demand increased. Many companies started offering services that enable anyone to easily and safely enter the market. But how can you buy cryptocurrency? Buying Bitcoin, for example, can be as simple as going to a Bitcoin ATM and getting it with cash or credit card. Though other crypto coins aren't so accessible, so you can only buy them via crypto exchanges. But there's one thing you should consider: transaction fees. On most of online exchanges, the transaction fees are updated in real time based on the fluctuation of the market, and the fees themselves are pretty low. ATMs, on the other hand, tend to have high transaction fees, so it's usually advised to buy bitcoins or other cryptocurrencies through websites such as Coinbase, Binance, or Crane. And most of the time, the process is really simple. I enclosed the links of the cryptocurrency exchange sites in the description. All you have to do is sign up for an account, verify it, and you are good to go. However, some exchanges require verification from a bank, and this process can take up to several weeks. If you are in a hurry, you may want to check the sign up and verification process or just buy with cash directly. Mining is the greatest way to get some crypto coins, but it doesn't work for all cryptocurrencies. Most people believe that mining is about obtaining as many coins as possible for yourself, but the whole process is a bit more complex. Through mining, a person uses his computer to solve complex mathematical equations that validate blocks of transactions. All the cryptocurrencies are already created inside a protocol, but they must be validated to become available on the market. As a reward, the person that validates it receives a fragment of virtual token he validated. But what do you need to start mining? First off, it depends on what you want to mine. While Bitcoin mining requires high-end equipment such as ASIC, application specific integrated circuit, others can be mined just a regular computer. But if you want to try your luck with Bitcoin mining, you don't have to invest thousands of dollars to get started. You can always join a mining network. All you have to do is pay the joining fees and then you can work together with other members to mine. The only downside is that you'll also have to split the rewards. Some of the best cryptocurrencies that can be mined right now are Ethereum, Monero, Dash, and Litecoin. Earn crypto by stacking. If you've got your eye on some coins that can't be mined, don't worry. There's still a way to get them. There are two main methods of validating blocks: proof of work and proof of stake. While POW requires users to mine the blocks and confirm the transaction through pure computational power, proof of stake works totally different. In a proof of stake system, the person to confirm the creation of a new block is chosen in a deterministic way based on number of coins he already holds. Staking looks a lot like lottery game. The more coins you hold and put into stacking, the more chances you have to be chosen to validate the transaction. But in order to stack, you need to hold several crypto coins, so this method works great only if you want to increase your stocks. On crypto with DeFi yielding farming. Known as yielding farming or liquidity mining, decentralized finance project come up with a reward system that resembles the bonds market in way. The most straightforward understanding of this process, yield farming is a method of generating rewards from locking up cryptocurrency as you lock in your funds and grant liquidity to DeFi token. You will get rewards and interest. Depending on the project, you can get additional tokens besides the yield. Some of the most prominent DeFis that you can mine are right now. Some of the most prominent DeFi that you can mine right now are Compound, Kubernetes, OX, and REN. Airdrops are the great way of taking early advantage of emerging projects. Most projects use airdrop campaigns to gain an initial level of notoriety and create a community around their project. This is a great tactic because it helps crypto enthusiasts find out about upcoming projects while also providing them with something of value: tokens. In exchange for performing a specific sets of tasks, users receive some of the project coins or tokens. Once the project hits the market, those tokens can be traded for other coins or sold for cash. Some of the most common tasks include following their social media channel, sharing posts, signing up on their platform, downloading their app. Microtasks are very similar to airdrops, commonly known as bounties. They may be, together with airdrops, the simplest way of earning a crypto coin. Many startups and companies offer crypto coins as a reward in exchange for performing various tasks. However, when compared to airdrops, micro tasks are a bit more difficult. The tasks are mainly promotional and they can take the form of creating a video, writing a testimonial, writing a press release, distributing a promotional video. There are many websites which list airdrops and bounty. So if you're looking to stock up on some emerging crypto coins, here's where you should get started. 99 airdrops, airdrop alert, and bounty alert. The links are in the description. Start freelancing and get paid in Bitcoins. However, you can take micro tasks one step forward and choose to get paid in Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency for working. There are countless platforms which facilitates freelancing through blockchain technology. Most of the platforms don't have any cost or transaction fees, so the employee receives exactly what the employer pays. Freelancing is a great way of starting out your professional career, and while It might be a bit risky to accept payments in Bitcoin due to its volatility. You can always opt for a more stable cryptocurrency. If you are looking to get started the freelancing business, here are a few places to start. Ithlens and cryptocurrency jobs. The links are in the description. Accept crypto payments. Do you own an e-commerce website? Then it's time to shine. Platforms such as Shopify or WooCommerce allows merchants to accept cryptocurrencies as payment through their website. And I'm talking only about Bitcoin. WooCommerce allows its users to accept some 50 types of crypto coins, while Shopify goes even higher with more than 300. And the process isn't even complicated. For Shopify, all you have to do is enable an alternative payment method from your Shopify account. For WooCommerce, you'll have to install one or more additional plugins such as BitPay or CoinGit. Once installed, just activate it, configure it, and you're good to go. Do you have a website but it's not for e-commerce? Then you can still earn some crypto coins. Since Google banned or restricted crypto related businesses from advertising through its network, the advertising industry had to adapt. Countless crypto ad networks such as Coinzilla, A-Ads appeared to fill the market's advertising needs. Their platforms created vast networks of crypto publishers where advertisers could place their banners. In return for displaying ads, the publishers get paid. And while most networks will pay out their users in only currency such as Euro or USD, many also do pay out in cryptocurrency. How do you manage your payment? Digital banking is going forward and is covering more and more of the needs of cryptocurrency users. So, cryptocurrency and payment platforms like crypto.com now offer financial management applications that can help you earn more cryptos by using the funds you already have. Besides earning cryptocurrency from depositing or picking up the interest, you can profit from cashback functionalities. We all have daily, weekly, or monthly expenditures. So, if you still have to pay for everything from such a fine tech company to gain some of your money back, in crypto.com's case, you can earn up to 5% back on all spendings by using Metal Visa card. One way to earn cryptocurrency without investing money is through faucets. You will still need to give it quite some time and keep your determination up. There are a lot of cryptocurrency faucets that you can join, and most of them either pay in Bitcoin or in Ethereum. Those that pay out Bitcoin will reward their users with Satoshis for every Microtasks, and those that pay out Ethereum will reward V. The system of faucet is quite simple to understand. You have to watch ads, complete surveys, and play games to be rewarded a small portion of cryptocurrency. Then you can cash out your cryptocurrency once you reach the minimum withdrawal limit. Although it can feel quite slow, a crypto faucet can get you to earn your first bitcoins if you have got time and determination. The crypto industry is huge. Through this video, I tried covering some of the safest methods of earning. So that's why I did include activities such as trading. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates.